If you want to play Android games on your computer such as PUBG, Fortnite, Among Us, etc., this tutorial river will guide you how to play Android game on laptop computer. So the first thing we have to do is we need to install an Android emulator on our computer, and the BlueStacks emulator is very popular. So all you have to need, just go to your browser and open bluestacks.com, and this is official website where you can get BlueStacks for your computer. Now click on download and you will get the installer. So install the BlueStacks on your computer and launch the BlueStacks. And once you're here, you can search for any app by using this search box. Select the app, and all you have to need, just click on install in app player, and the Android app will be installed in your BlueStacks, and then you will be able to play the Android game using this BlueStack. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.